Yes.
Meron ako mga kasama dito na meron mga questions for James and Nadine.
Ito na yung pagkakataon.
The ultimate chance. So, first to join me is, Sweetheart, what's your name?
Locally less. Yes. I have a question. Siyempre, hindi tayo kanina, but I want to know what's the difference between yung pagbabasa, different nung mga nauna niya, the diary, the talk back, compare with this one, the Hookless. Sobrang kika to, sobrang hugot na to.
Ito po super hugot siya. Kasi ang story kasi dito, parang yung character ko si Becca, hindi siya makamove on. And based on Marcelo, it's a true story daw talaga. Yung characters namin ni James dito, meron talaga in real life.
Okay.
Meron talaga, it's based on a true story talaga.
Okay.
Everything. Tapos yun nga, yung DLP kasi and Talkback, though, yes, merong mga issues or problems na content sa story. Mas more on good kasi siya. Parang mas nakaka-good vibe siya.
Okay.
Kasi talagang, ang sakit, Parang ganun yung mapipeel mo.
Also, the characters are really, really different. Like,
Yes.
even opposite from the last
From the
Yours is very opposite.
Very opposite from the last two movies we did.
Which
This is
is
JD like you've never seen before.
which is good, ano? You get to showcase different sides, different characters
Nice.
of James Reid.
At gusto ba yan? It's JD, like you've never seen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Flo.
Thank you.
We
Okay.
have another question. Hi, sir. Tell us your name.
Hi, I'm Ken Claudio of WhatsApp.ph.
Hi po.
Question ko lang kay James at kay Nadine, but most probably especially for James. So during nag-shoot kayo nung TV commercial, and also nung Hopeless Romantic, madalas namin si Daddy, di ba? So, kanina nasabi mo na very cool siya. So, paano mo nasabing cool? Can you cite some sort of moments with his dad during the o nakuha naman sa pagbibigay ng ng cheesy mushroom bacon burger?
Kasama na yun, sigurado. So, paano naging cool?
He's not like in the commercial. He's really strict and he's so cold and mean. But in person, he's really nice. And he's like, I don't know, for me, he seems like a cool dad.
My dad is very chill and mahilig siyang mag-joke around. Sa commercial, nakita mo yung super strict side niya, na meron naman talaga siya.
Right.
But then he's strict lang when he has to be.
So that made it easier for you, I suppose, because he had that cool side. So it was easier for you. So, okay. All right.
Thank you.
At kasama rin yung Jollibee, no?
Question number 3. Meron pa tayo. Hello.
Mga vloggers, no? Kasama rin natin.
Hi, I'm Ryan. My question is, since we already have stories and stuff as a special fans day, what other exciting things do we expect from you as Jollibee ambassadors?
Well, I think si Miss Ina, Nadine is saying Miss Ina answered, no, kanina, what the plans in terms of them being ambassadors daw. Si Miss Ina ang nakakalam dahil they're also going to be surprised with what they're going to do for Jollibee. But right now, they're concentrating on this, itong campaign na to. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pero abangan niyo yan, always look out.
There's more to
There's
come.
more, there's
You know,
more.
for Jollibee to be, actually for the movie, yung
Right.
character ni Nadine, that's the first.
So you know this is an ongoing relationship that will see
Right.
strengthen. Okay.
Okay, joining me